watch an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. It is July 2022, and we'll go ahead and open this bad boy up. It's like an additional like ceiling sticker, and of course the lighting is going to be a little wonky, but let's go ahead and dive on in. So this is what the bag looks like this month. Pretty cute. This might need to be my new dog walking pooper bag, as in this is where I store Roxy's poop bags. It's kind of cute, I'm not gonna lie. Let's go ahead and see what the card says. It looks like this theme is soak it all in. The sun, the shimmer, the SPF. This month, savor every moment, whether it's an impromptu pool dip or self-care spa day, and leave those to-dos till tomorrow. Yeah, that's a problem because I have so many to-dos. Anyways, I'm really good at the procrastination part. Ipsy doesn't need to tell me to procrastinate anymore, okay? And then on the inside, it looks like it has some friendly SPF tips to keep you from feeling the burn. And honestly, it's just basically everything we already know. It's just apply your sunscreen, apply it often, apply it every day, reapply, etc. But yeah, let's go ahead and look at my products for this month. So let's see. Oh, also, this is the part where I put in my preview or what I was able to pick from the different categories. I low-key forgot about it until Ipsy sent me a reminder email. So there are a couple products that did run out. If I remember correctly, I wasn't too bummed out about any of those products, but let's go ahead and talk about this first product. It is Item Light Sauce Balancing Gel Moisturizer for Oily and Combo Skin. This is what the box looks like. And we'll go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we're working with. The bottle is kind of cute, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a sucker for teal and lime green, and then it is a pump. Oh. It is a very light, honestly, like, this is one of the few times that the name really just correlates to this. It really is a light sauce, if you will. No scent as far as I can tell, so for all of you guys who are not about fragrance products, this might be a win for you. But I do like light moisturizers in the summer because my skin with this humidity and this heat sometimes really struggles in the summer. But otherwise, yeah. Oh, and it's animal test free, so bonus, love that. We'll go ahead and move on to our next product, which this is a hefty. This is the Coarse Santorini Grape Poreless Skin Cream with Salicylic Acid. So this is what it looks like in the box. And I think I picked this product and maybe the last product. I know they picked a perfume for me this month, which is very on brand lately with what I've been getting in my add-ons. I think I might have, or they might have picked this product. I don't remember. But anyways, this is what it looks like in the bottle. Again, it is a very cute bottle. And let's see how thick this bad boy is. Also, Mike is on a work call, so if any of that sound is coming through, I'm so sorry. So this looks like it's going to be a thick boy. This will be a good overnight moisturizer, I think. See, I got my morning moisturizer in this box and my night moisturizer in this box. So it's not often that thing happens, but we'll give these a good test over the next couple of weeks and see what works out. I gotta like awkwardly rub the moisturizer into my hand like it's a hand moisturizer, which honestly, it's probably not the worst. Okay, my hands are actually really soft right now. We'll move on to the next product, which I will say the Coarse moisturizer does have a little bit of a fragrance to it now that I'm rubbing that in. Coconut? Has some sort of fragrance to it. Anyways, here is the product that I know they chose for me. It is the Skylar Clean Beauty Coconut Cove with scents of bergamot, coconut, and ambrox. What's ambrox? I don't know. Maybe editing me can figure out what ambrox is. Oh, I think it's supposed to be amber. But anyways, we'll go ahead and give this a good swipe and see if I like the smell. I do believe I've gotten this brand before, and it's saying it pairs well with the Salt Air scent, I want to say. It says layers well with, and I think the Salt Air scent is what I've gotten. So we'll go ahead and see what this bad boy smells like. Okay, it smells nice, not gonna lie. I like it. Kind of gives me like combo doctor's office in a good way, like a nice doctor's office, not like, you know, the urgent care in the bad part of town you had to go get a urine test at once, but like the nice doctor's office, like, you know, does anyone know what I'm talking about? I'm just rambling on now, making it weird. But anyways, combo doctor's office with salon smell. That's what it makes me think of. It's kind of vibe it gives. But moving on, we will go ahead and look at our next product, which is the Pumpkin and It is the Pumpkin and Silk Luminous Pre-Makeup Base. I do like the box. That is a cute box. And it's been a while since I've gotten a primer from Ipsy, which is probably why I chose this product. Let's see. Let's go ahead and open this and see what we're working with. I will say I do really like the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. That's really good because I have a lot of texture on my skin. If the lighting would stop spazzing out, you can honestly, like the closer I get to the camera, like look at that texture. I am a human being with flaws. So yeah, sometimes a nice primer, a good thick primer that'll just kind of like fill in all of those gaps as much as possible. That's the kind of primer I need. I don't need some like sissy primer. I need like a heavy duty primer, if that makes sense. And the e.l.f. Poreless Putty does the job well. I am struggling getting this plastic off of the bottle, so editing me might just have to cut it out until I figure out how long it's going to take me to open this bad boy up to see what we are working with. Okay, let's see what we're working with. Oh, it's pink. Interesting. I know like green is supposed to be good for like diffusing redness, but I don't know what pink is supposed to do. I'll be honest. And it does have a scent. It smells very good. So anyways, again, if you like fragranced facial products, this is the primer for you. If that's going to be a problem, stay away from this primer. And last but not least, let's look at our last product, which is the Yensa Super Serum Silk Foundation with vitamin C and E, ferulic acid, and something, bakuchiol with 8 super blacks essence, which that doesn't sound politically correct, but it's saying it has the power of 8 because it has black tea, black sesame oil, shiitake, mushroom, black seaweed, chia seed, Korean black raspberry nettle, and black rice. It says this silky serum foundation infuses skincare benefits from vitamin C, E, ferulic, basically all the other stuff I mentioned to improve skin over time. Offers a skin-like full coverage glow while working to firm, smooth, and brighten your complexion from within. So I know historically I've really needed a full coverage type of foundation. And I don't know if my hormones coming down because I'm starting to get older. I don't know if I finally found a skincare routine that's just like working for me. But I've been able to transition to medium to lighter coverage foundations as long as the color is good. And I'm gonna, this looks a little dark for me, but maybe it's just the bottle. We'll give it a good pump. That's a little dark. I don't know, it might work with some blending and, you know, the right colors and whatnot. I will say it's saying this is a medium coverage. This looks very full coverage to me, but we'll just have to kind of see how she wears and go from there. I do like the idea that this is, you know, supposed to be helpful for your skin because I know a lot of foundations are not good for your skin. They clog your pores, they make your skin angry and cause breakouts and all sorts of other drama. But anyways, I will test these products out over the next month or so until I get my August Ipsy. But if you watch my videos, you know this is a part where I talk about the items that I got last month. Did I like them? Did I not like them? What the deal is basically. So let's go ahead and move on. So first I'm actually going to talk about the nail polish duo I got. Like them. They are a little bit more sheared than I would have preferred, but not bad for a nail polish duo. Moving on, we got this sunscreen, the Neogen Dermology. Yeah, I was gonna say dermatology, but I just realized it says dermalogy. I don't know. I'm overthinking this, as I usually do, I'm sure. But anyways, I did really like this as a sunscreen I put on in the morning. The one that I have been using does have the white cast, which is kind of a bummer because it takes a hot minute to rub in, versus this didn't give me any sort of white cast. And I didn't get sunburnt. SPF 50, it's good stuff. Can't be mad at this. Would recommend. Moving on, we have the Ciate London Cranberry 9-piece eyeshadow palette, which I have been using in my eye looks for the past couple of videos. And I will say, like, I've just not been feeling the pinks that much for, you know, this time of year. I've been keeping it with the browns and the gold. I'm a sucker for a nice gold, but I'm not mad about it. Maybe not the thing I tend to use this time of year, but not mad about it. Moving on, we have the Dr. Zenobia Hormonal See, here it says dermatology, not dermology. I have questions. Anyways, it is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which I always enjoy a nice hyaluronic acid serum. Honestly, that might be why my skin has been better and I've been able to transition from needing a full coverage foundation to a medium to a light coverage foundation. Who knows? But again, highly recommend a nice hyaluronic acid serum, and this did not disappoint. And then lastly, we have the MAC lipstick in the color E for Effortless. And I am wearing it today. I decided to go, I was trying to go for like the lip tint kind of vibe. So I just kind of dabbed it on, put on a whole bunch of lip gloss, and then just kind of, honestly, it looks more Barbie pink than anything. But I did use this and I'm not mad about this look. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, stay out there. This summer is dumb and I hate it and it's too darn hot. So just please, like, do whatever you gotta do. I know Texas is threatening to like cut off our electricity or some nonsense because power grids and whatnot. Just take a moment, calm down. Chill down, even if it's like literally 105 degrees like it is outside right now. Just try to find that inner coolness and then go back to kicking butt. Anyways, stay safe out there, my friends. Thanks for watching.